Starting around 12 October 2023 by and large spell especially token basically is exchanging at $0.00048264 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in genuinely most recent 1 hour and in every way that really matters, significant way. Spell explicitly has an in every practical sense, complete market cap of $51,838,432 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,220,399, or so they truly thought. This explicitly makes explicitly spell pretty token, spell, exceptionally positioning at 368 in the digital currency market, or so they explicitly thought. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the spell in every way that really matters, token cost expectation end of 2023, what will in a real sense spell truly token for the most part be in every practical sense, worth in 2023 in an exceptionally significant way? Is really spell pretty token a wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Will by and large spell cost essentially outperform its untouched for the most part high in an exceptionally huge manner? These basically are our truly spell exceptionally token cost expectations for spell's future, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell sort of token, spell, value expectation 2023 as per the spell in every practical sense, token gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the spell cost in every practical sense is supposed to explicitly cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.0005681. The normal kind of least value worth of especially spell token toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to for the most part be $0.0005495, showing how on the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the spell in every practical sense, token cost expectation end of 2020. What will generally spell especially token especially be worth in 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner? Besides generally spell can really arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of $0.000598828 in a significant manner. Spell in every way that really matters, token, spell, value gauge August 2023. The spell truly token, spell, cost for August 2023 may arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0.0004527.4, while the genuinely greatest determined cost basically is around $0.0005094, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The typical cost for certainly spell explicitly is in every practical sense anticipated to fundamentally reach $0.000495119 in August 2023 in a quite large manner. Spell value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023 the cost of in every way that really matters, spell especially token, sort of is gauged to for the most part be at around an all things considered, least worth of $0.0004914.2 in an unobtrusive way. The spell truly token value worth can fundamentally arrive at a limit of $0.000529114, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.000515000 in United States dollars, which explicitly shows that basically is somewhat spell really token, an especially wise speculation, or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Spell genuinely token, spell, value figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of especially spell most certainly token especially is most certainly anticipated to arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.000530045, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $0.0005497.4 and a by and large least of $0.0005115.8. Spell really token, spell, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, spell commonly token cost explicitly is estimate to sort of arrive at a practically the most minimal cost of $0.0005274.9, which by and large is very huge. The spell cost could sort of arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.0005796 with the in every practical sense normal expected cost around 0.00. Spell commonly token, spell, value conjecture December 2023. The spell truly token, spell, cost for December 2023 may arrive at a really least worth of $0.0005493.5, while the especially greatest gauge cost truly is around $0.000598828 in a kind of huge manner. The sort of typical cost for fundamentally spell is for the most part anticipated to reach $0.0005681 in December 2023, exhibiting how sort of spell extremely token, spell, value expectation 2023. As per the spell truly token estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the spell value sort of is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of $0.0005681. The normal truly least value worth of for the most part spell token toward the finish of the in every practical sense, current year ought to explicitly be $0.0005495, showing how on the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the spell sort of token cost forecast finish of 2023. What will really spell commonly token especially be somewhat worth in 2023 in an in every way that really matters, huge way. Spell in every practical sense, token especially past value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been most certainly diminished by 0.6% in its ongoing worth, which by and large is genuinely huge. Assuming we most certainly look at the truly current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap is likewise down, showing the way that the spell most certainly token value worth can truly arrive at a kind of limit of $0.000529914, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.000515000 in United States dollars. Which most certainly shows that by and large is somewhat spell certainly token a truly wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is genuinely huge. Spell really token in a real sense is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with all things considered, other crypto coins, or so they sort of thought. The spell sort of is down to nearly 1.79% in the very most recent 7 days in a very significant manner. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for truly beyond couple of days. The coin could really have kind of solid basics, however, we don't generally imagine that it would a productive resource in especially present moment. Which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of in a real sense spell in a real sense diminished by 39.168%, wiping out an astounding kind of normal amount of $0.000310776 from its ongoing worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down most certainly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a kind of good by and large purchase a potential open door for sort of speedy interest in a sort of huge manner. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 34.51%, and the cost truly coursed from a